Hi guys, it's Wednesday and katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, since it's Wednesday, naka-uniform tayo today. So, anyway guys, samahan nyo ako na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we will also check the passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and actually meron tayong loading today guys, kasi nga meron tayong 1-day delivery papuntang Katarman, kasi nga meron tayong customer na kailangan nila ng oil, urgent talaga. So, as a distributor, kailangan natin gumawa ng extra effort para at least mabigay natin yung satisfaction talaga sa customer natin. So, it's a matter of give and take. So, anyway guys, medyo busy tayo today. So, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako.
Wala ka? Alex, kung meron ka? Alex, kung meron ka? Sabi na lang. Ay.
So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako sa work. And after work nga pala guys, we are planning na pumunta sa metro kasi nga meron kaming bibilhin doon. And actually wala namang ibang ganap today kasi nga after namin doon sa metro so uwi na din kami agad. So, anyway guys, katatapos lang namin bumili sa metro and pauwi na din kami. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!